Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering off the device and unplugging any cables. This prevents shorts and accidental input. Once done, position a bright lamp and magnifier so you can see inside the port. You want small, non-metal tools, a wooden toothpick, a soft anti-static brush, and 2 short bursts from a compressed air can. Make sure to hold the device steady, avoid metal probes, and keep the compressed air upright to prevent moisture spray as you start removing loose dust. You now remove trapped debris. Hold the port downward to let particles fall out, then apply brief 1-2 second compressed air bursts at an angle to dislodge loose dust. Once loosened, gently work a wooden toothpick along the port walls, scraping sideways, not plunging, to lift lint and fibers. After scraping, sweep the interior with an anti-static brush, moving lightly across the pins and housing. Make sure to avoid bending pins if resistance is strong. Stop and reassess rather than forcing more pressure. Finish by inspecting the port under magnification. Look for remaining fibers or bent pins. If you still see debris, repeat short air bursts and a light brush sweep until clear. Once satisfied, power on the device and reconnect a cable to test charging and data transfer. If the port still fails, make sure software and cable are not the issue, then stop and consult a technician. Do not force or use metal tools. A professional can repair bent pins or replace the port safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.